Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no video. I know it's been, I think about 3 months. I've had several of you reach out and make sure everything is okay, and it totally is. I've had nothing major happen in my life. It's just been going back to the school year, and my husband and I started back in the office for the first time this year in a year and a half. So that's just been an adjustment, and yeah, life has been good though. I think the last haul that I shared was prior to our big summer road trip, and some of you have asked about that as well. It was an amazing trip. We went to Zion National Park, the Grand Canyon, Bryce Canyon National Park, Moab National Park, Canyonlands National Park, just like so many places over 2 weeks with our camping trailer and some of our dearest friends, and we just had an amazing time. So let's jump into it. Today, this is my Costco haul. It is October 30th, so the day before Halloween, and I just needed to stock up on some stuff. I have some Christmas stuff in here, and we're having a few families over tomorrow for Halloween, so I will show you what we got. The first thing was a bag of these chicken breasts, frozen, individually wrapped, and I usually use these in the crock pot, so those will go in the deep freezer. We got 2 boxes of cereal, the frosted mini wheats, as well as the honey bunches of oats. My kids love those. So I got 2 boxes of those. A big box of, let's see, refried beans. How many cans are in here? 8 16-ounce cans. So we use these during like taco nights, any sort of Mexican dinner. We usually have some refried beans, so we got those. A 4-pack of Costco butter. So this comes in a 4-pack. I already put some of this food away, so I figured I would only leave out like 1. So 4-pack of ground turkey. I'm gonna cook this tonight. The rest of it is in the freezer. And then tomorrow I'm making a chili with ground turkey, so I'll have to actually get some of that out of the freezer for tomorrow. But we love this. That's like a staple in our house. We buy that every time we go to Costco almost. This is the Flautas. So this also came in a 2-pack. One of these is in the freezer, and then one of them is in the fridge. So one of these will serve us for dinner. It's my husband and I, and then we have a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old, and there's like 8 Flautas in here. So we love these for like a quick weeknight dinner. We got this spinach and artichoke dip. So we actually already broke into it. We don't get this very often, but like I said, we're having some families over tomorrow for Halloween. So I thought I'd put out some appetizers along with our chili. So we have that. And then these cocktail cucumbers. My kids love these in their lunches. So I'll either just put them in whole and they'll dip them in hummus like that, or sometimes I'll cut them up for them. And sometimes I make Greek salads with those. We love them. I got an 8-pack of tuna. Some asparagus. I love to roast this with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then occasionally I'll sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it. We got 2 bags of these Chomps. These are beef sticks. I've purchased these from Trader Joe's before, and I'd never seen these at Costco. They've had them the last few months, but prior to that, I had never seen them carry this brand. So there's 12 sticks in each bag, and I don't remember offhand how much it costs, but I'll list the prices below. So this was a great deal. Like I said, they've had them for a few months, but they're gonna be going out of stock soon. They typically rotate through their beef sticks, which I'm glad that we get to try new things, but once I find something I like, I wish they wouldn't do that. So we'll see what they bring in next. So anyway, I got 2 more bags of those since they are going out of stock, and my kids love these for snacks. I got this 3-pack of ham. I guess it's a 4-pack. It's already cooked, obviously, you just heat it up. I love putting this in eggs or quiche. We even have some of this for dinner sometimes. Like, it's just a really easy meat to keep in the fridge to have on hand for things. I got this variety pack of cheese, again, for Halloween tomorrow with our friends. I figured I'd put out some cheese and crackers. I also picked up this 2-pack of grilled chicken strips. I've had this before. We don't really buy this regularly, but recently my mother-in-law gave us a bunch of pears from her pear tree, and I really love chicken and pear salad. So having cooked chicken on hand is just really convenient for salads. So I usually do like a spring mix, arugula, pears, chicken, roasted walnuts, and then like a balsamic vinaigrette, and then blue cheese on it as well. It's so good. So we'll probably have that for lunch today, and then, you know, bring it for lunch throughout the week or whatever. I've heard a lot of people talk about these. So these are the Amy Lou cranberry and jalapeno chicken meatballs. There's 2 packs in here. I don't know if they're going to be too spicy for my kids. My kids actually will eat spicy food. So I thought we'd give these a try. They do love meatballs, and I've heard really good things about these. So excited to try those. This 3-pack of the Originals Organic Roasted Turkey Breast. We love this stuff. I use it in their lunches, either for sandwiches or like homemade Lunchables. So again, that's 3 packs. We'll go through this in probably 2 weeks. This 24-pack of eggs. So we have like 2 eggs left from our previous pack, so we need those. A big case, 8 cans of diced tomatoes. I put these in soups and chilies and sauces and all kinds of things. A case of black beans as well. And then I got a few jars of pasta sauce. They didn't have the Kirkland marinara, which is really good. So I got this Victoria Organic, which a lot of people love. And then the Raos or Rayos, I've had this before. It's really good, and I think there's no added sugar. Oh no, there's like 4 grams of sugar in this, which might be from the tomatoes themselves. Yeah, 0 added sugar. So this is a really good brand of spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce. 2 loaves of this oat nut bread. We get that all the time. These classic creamer bite-sized potatoes. A 2-pack of this organic Kirkland brand salsa. We were out of salsa. A 24-pack of these English muffins. We use these for breakfast sandwiches. I got the gingerbread house kit. I figured we definitely will be making the gingerbread house this year, and it's just so much easier with little kids to have a kit. And they only had about 10 left on the shelf, so I thought I would purchase one now and just put it away for a month, and then we'll be making this in no time. So we have our gingerbread kit for the year. A big thing of tomatoes. My 3-year-old loves tomatoes so much, so he will eat those up sooner than later. Some avocados. So like I mentioned, we are doing chili tomorrow night, so we'll put some on our chili. I'm gonna do, I think, tostadas tonight for dinner, so we'll use some of these avocados for that, and then we may have a leftover one as well that we can use on sandwiches or whatever throughout the week. We got these Biscoff little cookies. They're so delicious this time of year. We usually will get like 1 box for the season, and they're just really good with a cup of coffee, like in the afternoon, as a nice little treat. And then, oh, we got 2 of these honey bunches of oats to put away in the garage. I got this organic winter blend of Starbucks coffee. We love like the special blends of coffee from Starbucks. So last year at Thanksgiving, the day before Thanksgiving, we were cooking, and we ran to Starbucks to get a coffee, and they had Thanksgiving blend, like whole beans Thanksgiving blend at a Starbucks store, and we'd never had that before. So we grabbed a bag. It was so good, like probably my favorite Starbucks blend I've ever had. And then by the time we went back after Thanksgiving, they were already sold out for the season. So I've been keeping my eye out for their Thanksgiving blend, and as soon as it hits the shelves, I'm gonna buy like probably 4 or 5 bags just to put in the freezer. So good. If you've never tried the Starbucks whole bean Thanksgiving blend, I highly, highly recommend it. We got the Seeds of Change organic quinoa and brown rice. We love these. There's 6 bags in here. You cook it for 90 seconds in the microwave, and it's just a really good easy side dish for dinners. We got these Zbars. My kids love these Zbars for them. We got a 4-pack of these butter cookies. So they have cute holiday tins. I figured we have like neighbors and different people that we'll give gifts to throughout the season, and I'm sure we'll keep one of these for ourselves as well. This pizza kit, occasionally they have pizza kits and we love picking these up because we love doing family like pizza and movie night. And so usually if we make homemade pizza, we put it on our Traeger out like our smoker, and it makes really, really good homemade pizza. So got that. Picked up this big there's 8 cans in here of chunked pineapple. I put this on homemade pizza. I also put it in like curries and things. So got one of those. I have never seen this coconut milk at Costco before. I actually got another box of this the last time we were there. So there's 6 cans in here, and I've already gone through 2 in my last box. And I put this in like curries that I make. So I figured they last through 2023. So I thought we would just stock up on these. It's good to have on hand. I got some more of this canned chicken breast. So we love this sparkling ice. We just actually started drinking it in the last probably year. And I think we've gone through like 2 cases of these. I was really waiting. I've seen a few people haul like seasonal sparkling ice drinks that had like maybe a cranberry flavor and something else, but my Costco has not had those. So we were out of them. I figured I would just grab this case and we will drink those. And then we got 2 boxes of this 5-pack cracker variety. So I was gonna just buy one, but then there was a Costco employee right there and he said, oh, make sure you grab your second box. It's buy one, get one free. So I figured with the holidays coming up and entertaining, these last through May. So even like Easter, like all the different, things that we host, we'll have crackers and probably then some. I'll probably use some of these in kids' lunches for lunch bowls and that kind of thing too, because it was buy one, get one free. I also got toilet paper, a thing of toilet paper and a thing of paper towels, but I already put those away. And then lastly, I got this box of 16 Christmas gift bags. I thought it was super convenient just to have as we approach the holidays, again, for those gifts that we're giving to teachers and that kind of thing. I'll put the price down below, but I think it was like 17 something. So it was just over $1 per bag, which I thought was a really great deal. So that's what I got at Costco. Let me know if there's been any seasonal items that you have picked up lately and tried. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around, and I will talk to you in my next video.